Alright, Banks 101, we back live, YouTube. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, we entire water pump replacement on the North Star. We had to use a 13 short on that bottom one. Take that bottom one loose. Y'all see it? I'm gonna get that bottom bolt loose, so I can't show you how they won't pump it. Well, anyway, get that bottom bolt loose on that end before the top one is back all the way out. Alright, y'all, hold on. Alright, y'all, we got them two down there. We got two more right here. Another one right here. One right here. And two more down here, y'all. We'll get on it. Alright, y'all, we back. Taking off our front. Folks, our cross member. We're gonna loosen three over there and two down there. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got one more. Somewhere over here. No, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it's one more over there though. You know, so go ahead and take this one out, y'all. It ain't that bad once you know what you're doing, you know. They say you gotta take a whole engine apart, but that's only if you want to. You did disconnect some of the sensors and stuff, but alright, so let me put this on pause for a minute. Alright, y'all, we got our front bolts. I always want to start with that bottom bolt. Always start with that bottom bolt. It's the point to come out. Which is why I always start with the bottom. See if my ratchet wrench will fit. Did I get a fit? Yeah, 13 ratchet wrench, y'all. Stubby for the back. Really kind of stubby for the front. But they will make it with this one because you got more room. Alright, y'all, we almost there. Sleeve bolts. Take this last 13 out right here. With 10. I mean, 13, y'all know 13. Just pump out. Make sure you always leave room so the ratchet don't get stuck back down here. And it's in the ratchet mode, so you can't be in trouble. Alright, y'all, we almost there. Almost there. We'll back it off with the rest of the ratchet. The box it. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna pause this while I finish getting this out. Get the top one out. Alright, y'all. Now we can take this box in, just kind of get this loose a little bit since it's tight. There's a little room down here to work. So just want to utilize the little room we got to get it loose. Then we better get something else on there to get it out some more. So yeah, just stroke her out like this, y'all. Might take all day, but you'll have it. Be right back. Alright, y'all, Banks 101, we back, YouTube. Alright, y'all, so we're in the middle of our gasket replacement back here. We just did the water pump. Alright, look, y'all see how my hand is. I'm all the way down there. You probably can see it down there a little bit. Right here. Well, you can't see it, but it's down there. Right there. Y'all can't see it, Jay? Well, no, y'all can't see it. It's down there. I see a little bit down over here. Anyway, I'm pulling the gasket out here. Alright, just to see down there, y'all. We did get it on. I don't know what this camera looking at. I don't know. Kind of hard to get an angle, y'all. It's so far down there. But anyway, it looked like that one down there. That's what we about to handle next. Then put these on. Alright, y'all. This is the top gasket on the crossover pipe. Alright, y'all. Let me find my little pliers. I'm gonna be able to see all of it, but I gotta get the bottom bolt to come out a little bit, but I am going to try to get this thing aligned up. it a shot like before. I'm trying to get this to line up with my little small group friends. It failed, y'all, but I gotta keep going. That's right, y'all. Tie y'all something on there on that gasket like this, then you'll never lose control of it. Alright, y'all. Then we just go back in here with a little soft torque to see what's going in and what's not. Like this one here. He's in, but now he out.